You have found a buyer, they are interested in your product, but now comes the most crucial part. How do you talk to them? How do you quote prices, discuss shipping, and finalize payment without losing the deal? Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to communicate like a professional exporter. We'll go step by step through real buyer conversations, negotiation examples, and even how to avoid scams. So grab a notebook. This session could be the turning point in your export journey. You are watching Dream, Export and Grow with Saran Balachandran. This channel is where we turn beginners into confident exporters. If you are new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because every week we share powerful export tips and step-by-step guides to help you grow globally. When I got my first enquiry from a buyer in Dubai for Indian garlic, I was nervous. Should I quote high? What if they disappear after I send my price? I made all the beginner mistakes, quoting blindly, trusting too quickly, and I lost my first 2 deals. But slowly, I learned how professionals communicate. Today, I'll share those exact methods with you so you can talk to buyers confidently from day one. When you get your first inquiry, whether on Alibaba, WhatsApp, or email, your first message decides everything. Follow this 4-line formula for success. First one, thank the buyer. Second one, introduce your company briefly. Third one, share product details plus clear photos. Fourth one, end politely with an open question like kindly confirm your required quantity. And here's an example email for you. Dear Mr. John, thank you for your interest in Indian garlic. We are Primero Enterprises, exporters from India. Please find attached photos and specifications. Kindly let us know your target quantity and port of delivery. Here's a bonus tip for you. Always reply within 24 hours. Quick replies show professionalism. When quoting prices, clarity is key. Let's understand the most used trade terms. FOB or free on board. You handle costs until goods are loaded at the Indian port. CIF, cost, insurance and freight. You pay till it reaches the buyer's port. EXW or X works, buyer picks up from your factory. For beginners, use FOB, which is less risk, simpler logistics. Example quote, our FOB price for grade A garlic is 700 per metric ton, MOQ 5 metric ton, valid for 30 days. Also you have to mention packing type, delivery time and port name. Remember, buyers compare multiple suppliers. Make your quotation professional, detailed and visually clear. Let's look at a real chat example. Buyer, your price is too high. Others offer $650. You, I understand sir, but our garlic is grade A, uniform size, clean, sorted, packed as per international standard. For 10 metric ton or above, I can consider a small discount. Here are some negotiation tips for you. Never say, okay, I'll reduce price immediately. Always explain your quality, packaging and service. Offer value, not just low price. Use these phrases in negotiation. Let's work on a win-win price. We focus on long-term partnership, not one-time deal. If you can increase quantity, I can support you with a better price. Things to avoid: dropping prices drastically, hiding charges, sounding desperate. Always remember, confidence means trust. The buyer must feel you are a professional exporter, not a random trader. Now comes the money part, and this is where 70% of new exporters lose deals or get scammed. Here are some common payment methods. First one, advance payment. 20 to 30% advance plus balance before shipment. Best for beginners. Second one is letter of credit or LC for large or high value orders. Third one, TT or bank transfer for repeat buyers. Always send your pro forma invoice first, then request advance payment. Never ship without some advance unless it's through a confirmed LC. Scammers often vanish after you send products. Here's a tip for you. Mention payment details clearly in every PI and email. Transparency builds trust. Often, buyers ask for samples before placing a bulk order. Here's what to do. Send clean, neatly packed, labeled samples. Include your business card and catalog. Use reliable courier like DHL or FedEx. Track and follow up. Sometimes you can charge courier cost. Sometimes you can offer it for free for serious buyers. Small act of professionalism during sample shipment often leads to big orders later. Remember, trust is built one email, one sample, one reply at a time. Once everything is clear, price, quantity and payment, it's time to close the deal. Send a pro forma invoice or PI with product name and grade, quantity, price, FOB or CIF, delivery time, payment terms, bank details, company seal and signature. Once the buyer confirms and pays advance, issue an order confirmation email like this. Dear Mr. Ahmed, we have received 30% advance payment for order of 10 metric ton of Indian garlic grade A, which is confirmed. Shipment will be made from Chennai port within 15 days. Always remember, keep everything documented. Email trail protects you legally. Let's be honest, beginners often lose money because of small mistakes. Here are the top 5 mistakes you must avoid. Quoting without knowing shipping cost, sending goods without advance, over-promising on delivery time, ignoring buyer verification, not maintaining professional communication. Always double-check your shipping cost before quoting. Use platforms like Import Yeti, TradeMap or Punchiva to verify buyers. Let me tell you a quick story. One of my students, Rajesh from Chennai, got a buyer from Kenya for coconut products. The buyer asked for a very low price. Rajesh almost agreed, but we reworked the quotation professionally, justified the price with quality details, and the buyer accepted. Today, Rajesh ships 2 containers every month. So here's the moral. Professional communication wins over lower pricing. So now you know how to talk, quote, negotiate, and finalize deals like a professional exporter. Exporting is not just about sending goods, it's about building relationships across the world. Which part of negotiation do you find the hardest? Price, payment, or trust building? Drop your thoughts in the comment and I'll make a dedicated video on each. You have been watching Dream, Export and Grow with Saran Balachandran. Remember, deals aren't won by being the cheapest, but being the most trustworthy and professional. Take action today. Your first order is waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.